Hey folks, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley Virgin. In this video here, what I want to do is show you something cool, okay? I want to show you how to make money by receiving text messages, okay? And basically all you have to do is just have a phone. You have to have an Android phone, and you have a PayPal account so they can pay you, and you just make money, okay? And I'm going to show you right now in this video here. And feel free not to hit the like and share button until I prove it to you, okay? One disclaimer. First, this is not to make you rich. You will not make millions of dollars by doing this. This just gives you the ability to make some extra income. Is that clear? This gives anybody, this is good for teenagers, people that sit at home and do nothing all day. All you have to do, if you have an an Android, and once you go through these steps that I'm going to show you right here, you basically just get money by doing nothing. It's just you download the app and you register your number and it's done. Does that make sense? So if you have an Android phone, you're good to go. iPhones, I'm sorry, get an Android. I have an Android phone. I did this, I'm kind of embarrassed, but I did this because I needed money and it's not a big deal. I bought an Android phone and I just let it sit there and I made a couple of dollars. It was just extra income. Understand this. This is not meant to make you rich, but what it does is if you do a lot of these different strategies that are online that give you the ability to make money as a brand new person, especially if you're trying to learn internet marketing. Think about it like this. If you right now are in one of my programs such as Online Millionaire Mastery and you're trying to learn how to create a product, you're in that system, you're learning, well, you still can do things like this to bring in some income while you're building your personal business. Does that make sense? I have many people that do this. Okay, now check it out. This is the site that you need to go through. And remember, don't hit the like and don't sub yet until I prove to you and show you that this works. Here's the website. It's called mcmoneyapp.com. Okay, write that down. mcmoneyapp.com. Now listen. This is so simple. A lot of you text people every day. Let me ask you guys a question. How many of you are texting average poor people? I know that's what you're doing. You're texting your friend, your mama, your daddy, right? Your lover, your boyfriend, your husband, whatever. And you're texting people, you're not getting paid. Well, this app right here is completely secure. Right? You don't have to worry about your information being leaked to the government or things of that sort. But every time that they send you a text, you make money. Okay? Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Wesley, that's insane. How much money? Well, listen, I'm not saying that you're going to make $1 million, okay? Absolutely not. But this is how it works, okay? What you do first, you download this app right here. This app is on the Android store, okay? Android only. Sorry, iPhone users, only with Android. And once you download that, then what it does is it's going to register your number, okay? And then you're going to start receiving text messages, okay? Now understand, they're very safe, they're very secure as well. You don't have to worry about your number being leaked, but you will get paid. Another thing, you have to have a PayPal account. Does that make sense? You have to have a PayPal account because that's how they're going to pay you, okay? That's how they're going to pay you, with a PayPal account. Now, I want to be completely transparent and I want to be completely real with you. You make about 1 cent, 5 cents, maybe $1, 50 cents per text. Okay. Does that make sense? Like I said, you're not going to get rich. You may make $200 a month, $100 a month, 200, I don't know. But what I'm saying is this, it's easy money. To me, any money is some money. Like, let me ask you guys a question. Have you ever needed money so bad that you were looking in your car in that little cup holder and you were looking for change and looking under the sink because you needed a quarter or you needed a dime? Well, think about it like this. Listen, you can have your Android phone like this. It'll just sit on the couch, okay? Right there. And every time you get a text message, you just get paid. Okay? That's it. You don't have to do anything but receive text because they want to use this data. And basically, so check it out here. Get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. All you have to do is receive a text messages. And guess what? You don't have to send a text back. You just receive. Like, how easy is that? Like me, I bought an Android phone and I tried it and it works. Listen, you can just have a phone and let it just receive these texts and you make money. Now, I get it. Some of you might say, well, Wesley, that's not enough money. Listen, I want you to do that too. But if you want to learn, okay, look at this view right here. Let me show you something here. I want you to look at this while you listen to me here. I'm gonna let you go. And if you think I deserve a like and sub, go ahead and do that for me now. If you want to learn honestly how to create a product from scratch, okay? And I mean an internet product, a digital product, not a physical product. No shipping, no warehouse, none of that. If you want to learn how to do that, that's what I do, okay? I went from the outhouse to the penthouse. So you can see, I have this beautiful view of the beach now. But before, I grew up on the south side of Houston, Texas. I made some pretty good money as working the job, but when I left my job, it was tough because I wanted to figure out how the internet marketing industry worked. Now, life is good, all because I created a digital product, and that's what I'm doing for people like you. And I'm not charging $10,000 to do that. Listen, it is very simple to take the idea that's in your head and transmute that, or transcend that into a product that you can put online to make a ton of money. I did the same exact process, and in that program, I show you, it's called Online Millionaire Mastery. It's in the description below. You don't have to get it, just making you aware. I made $1 million in 1 month, okay? $1 million in 1 month, all right? I mean, this is good. This is cool. It's millions of ways to make money online. And if you start doing these little small things, the money does add up. But if you want that beach view, okay? See, look at this is my movie room right here, right? If you want this, something that, or you want to retire your parents, maybe when you put your children in a better school, or maybe you want to leave the 9-to-5 job, okay? Listen, it's possible, okay? It's possible. I've helped over 100,000 people so far in the last 2 years do very well. It's not that difficult. Other online marketers, they make this seem like it's almost impossible, but it's not. They introduce all this difficulty in this arduous process. I make it very simple in the Online Millionaire Mastery. If you're looking at the link below, what I'm gonna do, just for checking it out and getting involved with that, in the description below, right under this video, I'm gonna give you the exact book that I used that made me $30 million. I'm gonna give it to you for free. All you have to do is go in the bio, click on the link. It's gonna say Online Millionaire Mastery, wesleyvirgin.com/online-help. Hey guys, I love you so much. Hey, if I deserve a like, hit the like button. If you want to sub to this channel here because you want to get more ways to make money online, on the computer, never ever working a job again, sub, like the video. Let's go! Motivated!